Lesson 1 Asking for directions. Japanese theme is Haru-san house はどこですか? Where is Haru-san house? First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding whole story. Let's begin.
すみません。ハルさんハウスはどこですか？
ハルさんハウス？あれ、僕たちの家だよね。
すぐ近くです。一緒に行きましょう。
こっちだよ。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, next time, let's check the skit with Japanese subtitles. In this case, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
すみません。ハルさんハウスはどこですか？
ハルさんハウス？あれ、僕たちの家だよね。
すぐ近くです。一緒に行きましょう。
こっちだよ。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. The first word is すみません. It means excuse me. And next word is はるさんハウス. So はるさんハウス is just the name of the sharing house. And next word is どこ. どこ means where. For example, すみません。東京駅はどこですか? This sentence means, excuse me, where is Tokyo Station? すみません。東京駅はどこですか? Another example sentence is here. すみません。レストランはどこですか? Excuse me, where is the restaurant? Okay, so another example sentence is here. すみません。学校はどこですか? Excuse me, where is the school? Anyway, you can ask the place by using this phrase. すみません。Place はどこですか? So that's very useful phrase, so please remember to it. So let's check back to the vocabularies. The next word is あれ? Actually, あれ doesn't have any specific meaning. This word just express your surprising, like, oh. Okay, so next word is 僕たち. 僕たち means we. For example, here. 僕たちは学生です. We are students. And another example sentence is here. 僕たちは会社員です. We are company employees. But actually, 僕たち, this word, only men use this word. So, you need to remember this word as well. Here, 私たち. This word, men and women can use this word. So, for example, here, 私たちは会社員です. We are company employees. So please remember both expression, 僕たち and 私たち. So, next word is うち. うち means home. And next word, すぐ近く. すぐ近く means very near. For example, あなたのうちはどこですか? Where is your home? あなたのうちはどこですか? And you can answer like that. うちはすぐ近くです. My home is very near. あなたのうちはどこですか? Where is your home? うちはすぐ近くです. My home is very near. Okay. So, let's check the next word. 一緒に. 一緒に means together. And next word is 行く. This word means go. For example, here. Let's go together. This word is like here. 一緒に行きましょう. We often use this phrase, 一緒に行きましょう. Let's go together. So please remember to this phrase. Next word is こっち. こっち means this way. For example, here. 私の家はこっちです. My house is this way. For example, where is your home? あなたの家はどこですか? And you can answer, 私の家はこっちです. My house is this way. Okay, so let's check the next word. はい. So はい means yes. And that's a basic word. So you can say はい or いいえ. So はい means yes. And いいえ means no. For example, あなたは日本に住んでいますか? Do you live in Japan? And you can answer, はい、日本に住んでいます. It means, yes, I live in Japan. Or you can say here, いいえ、日本に住んでいません. This sentence means, no, I don't live in Japan. So anyway, yes and no is very basic response. So please remember both expressions. Okay, then let's back to the material. Last word is ありがとうございます. ありがとうございます means thank you very much. So actually, ありがとうございます is the polite expression. So you also can say like that. Just ありがとう. That's the casual version. So you can say ありがとう to your friends or family members, like the person who is close to you. So please remember both expressions. Anyway, that's the vocabularies. Okay, so let's move on to the next skit section. In this section, you can understand how to pronounce the Japanese sentence. Okay, so please repeat after me. Tam said, すみません。ハルさんハウスはどこですか? ハルさんハウス? あれ? 僕たちの家だよね。すぐ近くです。一緒に行きましょう。こっちだよ。はい、ありがとうございます。Okay, that's it. So, we can move on to the next section. In the key phrase section, I will introduce Japanese grammar. This key phrase is about asking for directions. Example sentences. ハルさんハウスはどこですか? It means, where is Harusan house? So, let's check the explanation. To ask for directions, say, place はどこですか? Wa is a topic marker particle that comes after a noun. It's written as ha in hiragana, but is pronounced as wa, adding desu ka after the interrogative doko or where, and raising your intonation makes a question. Okay, so particle ka indicating a question. Ka is a particle that comes at the end of the sentence. It turns the sentence into a question, as in, どこですか? Anyway, the point grammar is here. Place はどこですか? So you can ask the place. Okay, for example, あなたの町はどこですか? Where is your city? あなたの町はどこですか? Another example sentence is here. あなたの会社はどこですか? Where is your company? And next sentence. あなたの家はどこですか? Where is your home? Anyway, you can ask the place by using this grammar. place はどこですか? Okay then, so let's check the next section. In this section, we will read a short dialogue which include a key phrase we studied. So, please repeat after me. すみません、トイレはどこですか? あそこです。Okay, so point sentence is トイレはどこですか? It means where is the toilet? For example, when you go to a Japanese restaurant or something, you can ask the clerk by using this phrase トイレはどこですか? Okay, so let's move on to the next try it out section. In this section, please try to translate 3 sentences into Japanese. The first question is, excuse me, where is the station? And the station is eki in Japanese. So at a time, the grammar is すみません, place はどこですか? And in this case, place is eki. So you can say like that. すみません、駅はどこですか? Excuse me, where is the station? すみません、駅はどこですか? That's it. Okay, so let's check the next question. Excuse me, where is convenience store? And we say コンビニ in Japanese. At a time, the place is コンビニ. So answer is here. すみません、コンビニはどこですか? Excuse me, where is convenience store? すみません、コンビニはどこですか? That's it. Okay, let's check the last question. Excuse me, where is ATM? And we say ATM in Japanese. So, as you know, the answer is here. すみません、ATM はどこですか? Excuse me, where is ATM? すみません、ATM はどこですか? That's it. Okay, so we can move on to the next section. In this section, I will introduce Japanese useful phrase. Please repeat after me. ありがとうございます. This sentence means thank you very much. This expresses gratitude. If you are thanking someone close to you, like a friend or a family member, you can use the short version ありがとう. Yeah, as we mentioned earlier, you can say ありがとう to your family members or friends, like the person who is close to you. Okay, that's it. And in this section, I usually skip the kanji and the culture section because kanji section just introduced the one word, so I think it's not useful. And as for culture section, this section introduced Japanese culture, like the sound of Japanese. But then all of the explanation is written by English, so you can understand yourself after the class. So we can skip this section as well. So lastly, let's check the trip tip. Let's begin.
Tokyo Skytree stands 634 meters high. As the tallest building in Japan, it attracts millions every year. Visitors from abroad can buy a fast pass to reduce waiting time.
Okay, so this video introduced Tokyo Skytree. So I make the example sentence. すみません、東京スカイツリーはどこですか? It means, excuse me, where is the Tokyo Sky Tree? すみません、東京スカイツリーはどこですか? And another example sentence is here. すみません、東京タワーはどこですか? Excuse me, where is the Tokyo Tower? So anyway, you can ask the place of the famous sightseeing spots by using this phrase. すみません、place はどこですか? すみません、東京タワーはどこですか? Or 東京スカイツリーはどこですか? Something like that. Anyway, that's the end of the lesson 1. Okay, so Lastly, let's quick review the skit with no subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story by Japanese. Let's begin.
すみません。ハルさんハウスはどこですか？
ハルさんハウス？あれ、僕たちの家だよね。
すぐ近くです。一緒に行きましょう。
こっちだよ。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, did you understand the skit? That's the end of the lesson 1. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for watching.